Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I want to show you guys the Christmas shadow boxes that I made. They turn out so cute. I'm going to start with this one right here. So look at how cute this Christmas shadow box is. So I covered the outside box with a green cardstock. And inside the box, on the sides of the box, I decided to go with this white paper with the gold stars. And on the back of the box is a red cardstock. And this is a Merry Christmas ornament from Dollar Store. So I apply a little bit art glitter glue all over on the back of the ornament. And then I hold it for a while until the glue was settled. And the bottle brush Christmas tree is from Walmart. And the snowman is from Dollar Store. And the little gifts right here is just the wood blocks that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I cover with the scrapbook paper. And then I added ribbon and a bow. And they turn out so cute. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So for this one, I decided to go with the red cardstock. So it's all over with a red cardstock. And inside is the same red cardstock. And I glue the Merry Christmas ornaments in here too. And for this one, I choose the white paper with the gold polka dots. So cute. And this Christmas ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby. And then again, I decided to go with the red snowman from Dollar Store and the Christmas tree bottle brush from Walmart and the three little gifts, which they are the same. It just turned out so cute, this shadow box. I'm just in love with it. And if you're new to my channel and you want to learn on how to make a box or how to cover a box with a scrapbook paper, or if you prefer with a cardstock like this one right here, the links will be down below. And feel free to add as many layers as you want inside the box to make your box firm and sturdy like this one. So for the shadow box, I added 90 layers. So if you want to make a shadow box, you're going to add it between 9 to 12 layers of the recycle box that you are going to use. It could be cereal boxes, Cheez-Its, Ritz's, graham crackers boxes, whatever empty boxes that you have available and you want to make a box with it. And the box frame I usually make with the frozen pizza boxes. And if you want to make just a gift box, usually 4 to 5 layers is enough, depend on the size of your box. So if you make a small one, the size that you can put it on inside a stocking, so 3 layers is enough because you already count with the pizza box. I will just show you like this. I'm going to make a box with this one. So this is the beginning of the box. So what I do is I cut all the pieces of the cardboard paper that are going to fit on the bottom and on the sides. Then I glue the second layer in each one, and then I close this with a masking tape. And then I'm going to start adding more layers in there. So if you're really interested in learning how to make a box or cover a box with a scrapbook paper, the links will be down below. Now let's go to the next box. So I'll leave those two right here. This one turned out so cute too. It's another bottle brush Christmas tree that I got from Walmart. And I added the 2 little gifts on the bottom. It is so cute. I'm just in love with it. And then on the back, it is a pipe cleaner wreath. And I made this snowman. I made the little hats. It's so cute. And for this one, I decided to go with this white paper and with the gold designs too. And then the Christmas ribbon. And on the back of the box is a red cardstock. And I decided to go with this paper, which matches the red box and the green box. It is just too cute. And when Christmas is over, I just close the box and save it for next year. And I still need to make box lids for these 2 boxes right here. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, be sure to give this video a like and share with your friends, and have fun creating your own Christmas shadow boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!